It's my pleasure to welcome you to the Fall 2012 Design Day Award Ceremony.
So our problem statement, the US Steel gave us creative advice that records measurements over the length of the pipe. So they gave us this because these pipes are actually used in drilling rigs. They send tools down them, and if the diameter is too small or the straightness is not right, these tools are going to get stuck, and that's going to cause a lot of problems. So these pipes pretty much have to be perfect, and they're all seamless pipes. Required characteristics we have: drift or no drift. What that basically means, they have this giant metal slug, and they're going to shove it down the pipe. If it gets stuck, that either means the diameter is incorrect, it is not a complete circle, it might be oval, or the fact that it may not be straight. So, and these are the required characteristics of the pipes that they have and the device that we need to make. And some things that they thought would be beneficial but weren't really required, maybe we could have like a graphical output, and we could see the diameter, the ovality, and the straightness in graphical form was something that US Steel thought would possibly be helpful.
The most fun thing about engineering might not sound like fun, but it's I've been an engineer for a few years, and it's the ability to think. The engineering schooling that these kids are getting is teaching them how to think in a whole different way. They learn to think outside the box, which can help them at home and at work. The company got involved with the Capstone project because they're very interested in growing their future. So being involved here, the great ideas we got from our team today, and seeing these young people is where our interest is, so that we can build our company for the future. What the students would bring to US Steel, or what they have brought to US Steel, after just seeing their presentation, is new ideas.
This right here is going to show how these parts are interchangeable. We made these end caps so that they could screw off and screw back on. So these middle connecting rods are actually the same dimensions, same thread, and the same with the inside of each of these end caps. We made these so they're interchangeable, so if one of them gets damaged during the process or needs to be cleaned, they can easily be removed, cleaned, or replaced, and put back on rather than having to create an entire new device. The device is actually going to go out, it's going to take a measurement of the pipe, and when it comes back, it's actually going to be inserted into a larger pipe of known diameter, where these three sensors are going to actually take readings. And they're going to already know these distances, and they're going to have set measurements for these. So if these distances or measurements do not match up to what it should be, the operator is going to be alerted that maybe one of the sensors got moved or bumped, or maybe isn't even reading, which is how these devices are going to be.
There's things that we've done the same way for years, and we're a company about change. We're a company about changing from a reactive culture to one that anticipates, and getting ideas from the newer generation, the young engineers, can provide growth.
So right here's a quick video. You can just see that using the brush and those O-rings, you can see there's actually quite a bit of dirt buildup on the end of this right here. And when this is pulled out, you'll be able to see there's a pile of dirt or rust that's inside here, right here. And you can see how well these cleans. As you can see, the back one is fairly clean, and right in the middle is also clean as well, where the sensor lies, which is the main purpose of the O-rings and the brush.
I think the hands-on experience that the students gain is just really paramount, because the group that I sponsored actually got to go have a mill tour, so they got into the environment. They saw the type of materials they would be running their tests on. It just gives them a better flavor for everything they've learned in the classroom to see it in action. Design Day, the whole atmosphere that I've enjoyed so far is very interesting. Seeing all the different design projects other than just the one US Steel had, designs of car seats, different things with refrigerators. Just seeing what these students have come up with it's really uplifting to see the brightness of our future.
ME 481 Mechanical Engineering Capstone Design Course Best Presentation Award goes to the project Automated Measurement of Pipe Inner Diameters, sponsored by US Steel.